the two little piggies. So cute. Munchy, Marvel, and Mama. Oh, you're so cute. You're very cute. Why can't you be more like your tiny sister? Hmm. I will still pet you and snuggle you if I'm not feeling you know that. Yeah. Maybe we will do. So I've got a meeting this afternoon and this evening, but what? Maybe I will try to do a field trip either today or tomorrow during the day and bring the camera down. Of course, we may or may not have internet, but it seems like it's been up. Maybe they fixed whatever was wrong with it. I should probably not say that. Although we're down to 1% packet loss. Pickle, wait. You're very cute. Hi, Ozzy. I know. They're like little baby birds. I know, buddy. I know. It's so yummy. Munchy. And helping your poop be more solid, too. Easier to terminate a solid poop, isn't it, everybody? Marvy's getting a bath with a dirty tongue. And he's getting his face smushed into the food. Oh, so handsome. You too. Alright, I give up. You win. Kittens win. Once again. Kittens win. Human loses. Hi, little munch. Oh, it's a little munchy. Look at this adorable little munchy. She's so cute. She's so adorable. Oh my goodness. What did you do to the top of your head? It's all crusty. What did you do? Hi. Nico. Nico has that face down pat. If he looks at you with that face, he is impossible to resist. Aren't you, buddy? Oh, you're so handsome. So special. Look at those ears. What a magical creature you are. Oh, so handsome. Hi. Hi, Ollie. Oh, and look what Mommy, look how Mommy styled Marvel's hair. Yeah. What a magical creature. Oh, there's food. I just put my hand in some food. Hi. Should I take a picture? Oh, Henry, what are you doing all by yourself over there? I should take a picture of it. Oops. Oh, it's so irresistible with its little food whiskers. characters. Professor Perfectly Round. Oh my goodness. Everyone thinks that I should foster fail. Oh, now look who wants back in with Marvel. But I can't. That's because I would have to take Marvel and Munchie, and then I would have 5 cats. And that would be a lot of cats. Henry, do you need to be rescued, buddy? Have you learned an important lesson about escaping? Where did he go? Well, there he is. Oh, long next to you. You missed out on snack time. I need to fix that situation. Oh no, Henry just turned on my video player. But then he turned it right off. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Ah, that tickled. Look, there's Anders human. Anders human is gonna stop by. My door's locked. White pepper I found at Home Depot that I have been looking for, but I haven't been able to find. Are they adorable? Hi, Kittens. Look, I brought you a friend, a new friend to play with. Oh, it's here in the corner. Okay. Looking this way, and the audio is on, so you can come in here if you want to. Oh, watch out for bits of. We just did feeding time, so there are probably chunks of food. Okay. Hi. Oh, look at the belly. Oh, I know. I was just about to weigh them. Oh, you got crusties on your head. I know. So she and Marvel are the only two that are eating solid food.
Oh, and your nose is all dirty.
And we just were eating. See?
Oh, yes. Hi.
See, and he got a special bath.
Oh, hello. You are so cute.
Ooh, I got new Velcro, everybody. That's exciting. This is for us.
Oh. You're a very round kitten.
He is extremely round.
That is not foot. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you.
Munchie's hiding under your butt.
It's a great place to hide.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Hi, Mama.
Oh, it's shot internet. No, I don't need to talk to them though. The internet's back up. Although I could ask them about the. Yeah. Maybe I will answer.
Hi, Pooh. Hi, Mama.
Munchie's being so cute right now. Well, they're all cute.
What do you smell?
Maybe
do you smell
Anders.
Anders?
Maybe. Isn't he adorable? No, well, because I'd have to keep him and Munchie when they're 5.
So you're still under the second bed, right? You're crazy cat when you go on 7.
No, I can't.
Oh my gosh, you were the shortest little kitty. It is so cute.
Which one? Oh, Mark. I know.
He just looks like
He's all pudgy.
maybe that's why. Maybe he's just rounder, so he looks shorter.
So this is my new enclosure plan. I'm gonna glue these on hinges, and then I can like slide them in and out of these things, right? And then they're flexible. I just need to get more of this coroplast. New plan.
Where did you get the coroplast from?
This is the stuff you guys got. I think it was from Home Depot, right?
Oh, it's still. Oh, he's just kept it.
Yeah.
Oh,
But it's getting smaller and smaller. Oh, he's very ferocious. He's gonna get it.
What are you kittens doing? What are you doing back there? Under there or whatever.
They love that's their favorite thing to do. You want to see what else is their favorite thing to do?
Yeah.
I'll get it.
Oh, look at you upside down.
You're gonna be trapped in here forever.
It's okay. Trapped with kittens forever.
You might have to move though.
I've got one stuck to your leg.
I've got this one. I just pulled the kitten out of your butt.
Oh.
What are you trying to escape?
Not long until they're gonna be able to get out of here, Kate.
They got up overnight and again this morning. It's already happened.
Oh.
That's Toto, isn't he?
Face.
going to weigh them.
Weighing time.
It's today, the 30th of December.
It is.
They're 6 weeks and 1 day old. Isn't that crazy?
No, much longer.
I know. Except they're still small.
They are small.
Except for one. One of them is not as small as the others.
Oh, hi. Oh, hello. Really cute.
Hey, Nico. All right, Nico was 575 yesterday, 581 today. Oh, good job, you got it.
Oh,
did he hiss at you?
yeah.
Really? Oh, how rude.
Oh, that was really funny.
Oh, you must smell funny.
I totally do. I smell like the other kitties. Do I smell like other kitties? Oh, I'm so sorry.
This is Meghan Anders human, for anyone who doesn't know. Most of you probably do know her. Oh,
Oh, it's shy. I better
maybe I should talk to her. Hello.
I remember. No. Oh, look at the belly. Look at the belly. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
I'm always nervous to call them because we're so far over our bandwidth.
Oh, really?
And they've already flagged it, but they haven't done anything about it. Because it's kind of a weird, they're like, oh, a kitten cam?
They don't get it.
They're like, we'll look into this further.
They're probably all watching you in the office.
Toto. He's kind of floofy.
Oh, you guys love your Kent. They're all kind of floofy. Oh, are you stuck?
Sally Roche. Good, how are you? I just wanted to know if I'm having up to 5% packet loss on my internet connection, and I wanted to know if you guys are aware of an issue or if there's anything you can do to help with that. Sure, it's